Tomorrow's shop floor personnel. With the Industry 4.0 evolving around, the manufacturing shop floor is about to see a lot of changes. It will have all the four M's: man, machine, material, and methods. As long as the material is not going to change, the machine and the methods which are involved will continue to go so. If it changes, then the machine will also change. Be whatever it is, the man who is going to operate or control the machine is needed to have a different kind of a orientation as the change take place. All these machines are going to be cyber physical systems. In the sense, internet is going to control all the machines. It will control the material flow and it will improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the work practices. All this is going to happen in a bigger and wider zone. So the Wi-Fi wireless fidelity is going to get into itself changed as light fidelity, Li-Fi, so that the signal strength is better and the connectivity between machines is in a far more better control. When this happens, the process in the industry will have a requirement for core specialization as well as a data specialist or data analyst, which is required in addition to the core specialization required in the human beings who are going to operate such machines. When it comes to the shop floor, see, the shop floor is going to have the four M's, but it is all going to be only on operational specific and not on managing it. All the managing activities such as research and development, policy, the process and technical development, supply chain management, all will go as a separate wing and it will not be part of the shop floor. And the business process will have a different orientation. The customer will give his order through digital way and he'll also make his payment on a digital mode. The process to be controlled within the organization will have the quality being inspected at a sample stage and then the process is automated so that the cyber physical systems takes the full control of the process. Now coming on to the human beings. Human beings now have a different role and they go through a different hierarchy in a manufacturing setup. But in an industry 4.0 setup, there the manufacturing shop floor personnel will have a different hierarchy or role allocation. When it is on the operational side, that is when they only connect the machines, do the connection of among machines. Like they are going to have a kind of a connectivity from one machine to another, then they are going to check only the sensors and then the tethering problems that they have to attend. Such kind of people who are going to be called as operational people. To get furthermore, I'll tell you about what is the basic level of cyber physical system and where the cyber physical systems architecture is going to go around. The basic level of a cyber physical system is where you have machines. Take for example two machines. These two machines will have sensors. These sensors, as the machine operates, these sensors will keep sending signals and the spikes of signals will land onto a computer and the computer will do the analysis and the analysis of this data will be reverted back to the IoTs which is in the machines. The IoTs between these machines will communicate within each other and they will control the process. This is the basic model. But as we go further, the second level where it comes like, the data becomes an information. The machines will have a lot of degradation. They'll have a prediction on its performance, its health. All these things have to be analyzed, which is called the data analytical position. This position is the one which will help to maintain the machines. So the second level of skill which is required in cyber physical system is operate and maintain. Maintain will have more of data analytics. The third part is the cyber systems. Cyber systems is machines will have time and they also have to handle the memory space because all these are all like your mobile phones. When the memory space is more, then the speed increases. But when the memory space is less, the speed decreases. So what happens is the cyber part is where they have to do in such a way they predict and give the maximum or optimizing the productivity by the machine. This is the cyber level, and these people are called the integrative specialist. The next level is the cognition level, where they do the simulation, synthesis, diagnosis, and then they do all kind of visualization, which is called the regenerative level, which is higher than the integration level. The last level is called the leader level or configuration level, where the machines by themselves, they control themselves. They have a self-control on the resilience, variation, and disturbances, if any. So a leader is one who is in such a position to collaborate and take control actions. Like IT engineers today, where certifications are more important and people are recognized based on what kind of a certifications they have. Tomorrow's manufacturing engineers in the shop floor are going to be recognized only with these kind of certifications, whether they are an operative level or an data conversion level or an cyber physical level or cyber physical specialist who can control the resources, or they are called as integration specialists. The next part is the regenerative specialist or the leadership specialist. To grow in such kind of a career progression, people have to continuously learn. So you have to be a student all throughout your life when you are in a manufacturing industry for tomorrow.